everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to download Coinbase on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's get started. Make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and get connected to an internet first. Once you've done that, go to your App Store, tap on the search button and then type in Coinbase. Once you make a search for Coinbase app, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. If you tap on the application that says Coinbase buy Bitcoin and Ether, this one right here, you'll be able to see further information about it, its preview, ratings and review, some information about the application. To quickly download the application for your iPhone, tap on the download button. Wait until the application gets downloaded for your iPhone, which is a quick process. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring and storing cryptocurrency. It is a simple, safe way to buy, trade and sell your cryptocurrency. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath or right beside it. Tap the open button in order to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily download Coinbase application for your iPhone. Now the app shortcut has been added on your app list. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.